Wait, this was just a rehearsal? Of course it was. You don't just do the 2:38 news without a rehearsal.
We're definitely going to say your names again, but for realsies next time.
Those aren't our names.
So, reading the play, as I walked down the aisle towards my seat, who do I see? The supporting reporter! Emma Watson.
Where's Natalie Watson? I'm pretty sure she's right there.
Emma had an aisle seat. I don't know. And I bet you're asking yourself why. If you ask me, I think it's because Emma Watson has already seen it all.
We need to say our names.
Why do you want to say your names?
Because we're fans of yours and of Emma Watson's. Excuse us. What are you doing? We need her to say her name.
We'll have to change it to our uniforms. We can't look like this and tell our secrets.
Okay, we'll be right back.
No, we won't. But some other people might come back in.
And you should really say the names on me.
Okay, that was weird. Almost as weird as the time I found myself where? On the same podcast as Emma Watson.
You had brought baby food on their house. We're not stuck with Pinellas. You know what? You've been pregnant since the moment I just don't fight and throw them away. Well, I hope you're happy. Swampview loves Betty. That dog with the hat. But Swampview also loves laughing at that terrible game.
Oh, hey, you woke up. Have a nice sleep.